Good evening, housemates.
Good evening, big brother.
Welcome to week 3. For tonight, you have another head of house challenge. Tonight's challenge will have 2 levels. In the first level, you will play 3 different games. The 5 fastest housemates to complete all 3 games will advance to the final round. Do you understand?
Yes, big brother.
Just throw 3 bean bags into any of the baskets before you can proceed to the next game. A ring toss. You will find a platform with 5 rods and multiple rings. All you have to do is successfully throw 2 rings on any of the rods. For the third and final game of this round, you will have 3 darts to throw at a wall of balloons. Each balloon has a different point value, and if you are lucky, it will grant you a time advantage that will be shaved off your total time. This game is called Stable Server. There are 5 black bars on the floor in front of the screen. Can you see them? There are also tables with flat plates and balls on them. In this game, you must balance all 3 balls on that plate with one hand. Do you understand? Housemates.
Yes, big brother.
It may seem as though you have your second female head of house for the season.